Hello, my name is Jeff Kleinfelter. I work here at Maguire's here, part of the sales team. I have a 2020 Ford Escape here, bronze fire, black leather interior. You got the different drive modes, the active park assist, pedestrian alert, heated seats, heated steering wheel, nav. Walk around here. It only has 40,000 miles. Has a warranty that covers up to 100,000 miles, 7-year or 100,000, whatever will come first. Extremely clean on the inside and out. Has a power lift gate, and then those seats will fold down for you too. The power lift gates are here. Has a foot activation as well. So as long as you have the key fob, you do a little kick, come down for you. Let's see it come down. Hands free. Show you the back one more time. Automatic headlights. It's got some nice little grain on the inside here of the door. Power seats. Automatic windshield wipers. I'll show you the miles. Just under 40,000 miles. Here at Maguire's, come check it out.